I choose economics, political and history. These three major subjects in 11th.
I think you are an art stream student.
चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। दूध फ्रिज में है।
The milk is in the fridge. Tell me one thing. Do you face this type of issue? Like you really want to speak English fluently, but you don't feel confident in English. You feel hesitation while speaking English. Why it is happening with you? The biggest reason behind your problem is lack of practice. The more a person is speaking English, so the better he become fluent in English. But they have a problem like they have not an environment of speaking in English. So that's why they are not able to speak in English. They have a lots of ideas in your mind, but yet they are not capable to express those ideas in English. Don't worry friends, I have a solution for your problem. In this video I'm going to share with you wonderful application. With the help of this application you can easily improve your English speaking skill. So without any delay, let's get into the topic. Okay. So the application name is Peer Up. Yes, I have made a video on this particular topic in my previous time. Again, I'm going to make a video on this particular application because there are so many new subscribers. So for the new subscriber, again I'm going to show you how to use this application and how to improve your English speaking skill with the help of this single application name is Peer Up. Yes, you heard right, Peer Up application. For this, what you need to do, you need to just go to the Play Store and write Peer Up. Yes, I have already downloaded this application on my Android phone. So now I'm going to just write Peer Up and open this application. Okay, you can see the logo. This is the logo of this application, and yes, this is home page of this application. You can see yes, these are some real person. If you touch this, so these are some real person, and if you touch this, so this is the feature of AI conversation. If you touch this also, it will ask some money, but don't do that. I mean, what is the meaning of giving some money? You just need to improve your English speaking skill. So do conversation with your real partner, with your co-learners, and believe me, this is free and cost application. Okay, this is free and cost feature, and this is paid. Okay, so now I'm going to touch this call, start call. See, it is searching. It will take some time. Yeah, what is your name?
My name is Faizan.
Okay, your name is Faizan. So where are you from, Faizan?
I am from Kashmir.
Okay, you are from Kashmir. And are you a student?
Yeah, right. I am a student of class 11th.
Class 11th. That's great. And so actually, let's talk about your family. Tell me something about your family.
I have 4 family members. Yeah, father, mother, and younger sister, and me.
Father, mother, younger sister, and you. Okay. So yes. So what is your motive? What do you want to become in your future time?
After completing 12th from first year of graduation, from first year of college, I start preparation for civil service exams or city PCS exam.
Civil services exam. Wow, that's great. So what do you think? What is the major subject that you will choose while preparing your exam?
In UPSC,
Yeah, in UPSC.
major subject are geography, political, economics, many subjects, natural and
But
disaster.
these are some subject. Okay, if you really want to improve your current knowledge, so yes, these all subject are good. But yes, there is a main subject. I just want to ask you, what is the main subject that you will choose while you want to clear your exam? So what?
Optional subject.
Yeah, I'm asking about
Okay, I want to choose optional geography, but in present, I am in class 11th. I not choose geography subject. In our schools there is no geography subject. Yeah.
Why geography is a very common subject.
But
So
in our school, I go to 3 or 4 schools, but no one school has geography subject. Yeah. After that, yeah, I choose economics, political and history. These three major subjects in 11th.
I think you are an art stream student.
Yeah, right. I'm an art student.
Okay, so you are an art stream students. So
Yeah.
okay, so actually, Yeah.
I choose first medical. I studied 3 months of medical field, but after that I choose artist. Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. So geography was this is your favorite subject. Okay.
Yeah. But yeah,
So let's talk about this subject. What do you know about this subject?
which subject?
Geography. Tell me something, few, current knowledge about this subject. Tell me something about, very common knowledge about
You
geography.
you can ask me question on history, economics.
Why? But your favorite subject is geography. So yes, you
But
should give answer. You should give some
okay,
point about this subject like geography.
yeah, which you can ask a question, I will try to give answer, right?
Okay, so I'm going to ask a question. Okay, geography.
Yeah, yeah.
Hmm, 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 hmm. So how many states in our country?
Status
Hmm.
20,
20? 20?
28.
28. Okay,
Yeah.
that's great. Okay,
Before,
so
I think 29, but after 2019, abrogation of Article 370, and Jammu and Kashmir is now UT, but it was a state, but in present it is UT after 2019
yeah,
because of abrogation of Article 370.
yeah, you are right. Actually, you are very, clear. And yes, there are 28 states in our country.
Yeah.
So, what is the biggest state in area? Which is the biggest
Rajasthan,
state in area in our country?
Rajasthan. I'm not
Rajasthan.
sure.
Yeah, that's great. And which is the, lowest area in our country?
Goa,
Area.
Goa, Goa.
Goa, that's great. And okay, so where we can find Coral Dweep? Coral? Do you know about
Coral, Coral.
coral? Do you hear this word like Lal Munga?
No, I don't know about what is this. Cora, sorry, what? I'm not getting your point. What you see? What is this Cora?
No, Coral Dweep.
Coral Deep.
This is the like just like a mountain in in ocean, and this is called Coral Dweep. This is
Okay.
okay.
Yeah.
It is found in Lakshadweep.
Lakshmi Island. Okay. Yeah, I don't know about this. Yeah.
Okay. Can you tell me name of seven sisters states?
Seven.
Seven sisters state name. Can you tell me?
Yeah. Punjab.
No, it's not Punjab.
Yeah. It is Punjab. Seven sisters.
No, no,
Seven.
seven sister. It is in east in our country. Seven sisters. Do you know about?
I think Punjab is because I listen this Seven Sisters.
No, no, no. Seven sisters is in east portion in our country. Like I'm going to tell you. Just you need to
Yeah.
hear very carefully. Okay.
Okay. I will listen. Yeah. Right.
Okay. So first thing is that Assam, Meghalaya,
Meghalaya. Okay.
Mizoram, Manipur,
Nagaland.
Nagaland,
Okay.
and
But also we say that like seven sister is also known as Punjab. I think because of seven rivers flow in
no,
Punjab.
no, not seven. It's five rivers. Punjab. This is the name. Because there are five rivers generally. Flows. So that's why the state name. Uh,
Yeah.
Punjab seven five rivers के नाम पर पंजाब पड़ गया.
Yeah. Right. That is why I say you Punjab. I listen this. I don't know. I listen this word seven sisters.
Okay, okay,
Sorry, I was seven. I am not sure, but listen this seven sisters.
okay, okay. So now you can. Now I'm going to ask you a question.
Yeah.
What is the biggest? Which is the biggest river in our country that flows in our country, not outside?
I think Ganga
Yes,
and
you are right, Ganga.
Brahmaputra is but in outside it.
Yeah,
Also,
Brahmaputra is outside it, Nadi. But in I'm just asking ki what is the biggest river in our country? So yes, your answer is right, Ganga.
and in world I think it's Nile or Amazon. I am not sure both. Nile, I think.
Okay, yes,
Amazon.
yes, you can. You are right, Nile. Okay, what is the biggest? Which is the biggest mountain in our country?
In our country, I think K2.
K2, Godwin Austen. But yes, there is some suspense.
Mount Everest is I think in Nepal. Yeah.
Yeah, all the thing situated in Nepal area. But yes, when I was learning current general knowledge, so at that time
Yeah,
Godwin asked in the biggest mountain.
but I think K2 is.
Yeah, Keto name is Godwin Austin.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So what do you think about biggest desert in our country?
Yeah, Thar Desert.
Thar Desert. That's great. And in world,
Or
what is the
Sahara Desert.
biggest? In world?
Sahara Desert.
Sahara Desert. Right. You are right. Now I'm going to ask another question. Like, okay, um,
Uh, you are you are preparing any exams or
no, I'm not preparing. Actually, I am a teacher, so it's my profession to ask some
okay,
question. Actually, I am a
okay,
teacher. Okay, let me tell you about myself. My name is Rita, and I am a teacher, and I teach student from who come class first to eighth. So first to eighth, first to five, I
which
teach.
subject? Which
First to
subject?
five, I teach all the subject that is needed, but class six to eight, I teach only English subject. Okay,
English.
actually I am a government teacher, so yes, I have cleared my exam, so that's why I am asking this question, because I have learned this question so many times while preparing my exam, so that's why I am asking to you.
That is good. Yeah, yeah.
So do you feel fun?
Yeah, yeah. I feel fun. Yeah, yeah. I'm not boring in these questions.
You are
That
not
I.
worrying. So yes, okay, now I'm going to ask some another question, like okay, what is the southest point in this in our country?
Yeah, I think Kanyakumari.
No, Indra Point.
Sorry,
Yeah,
Kanyakumari, and I think.
Indra Point, that is Indra Point.
Okay, okay.
Okay,
But we say that Kashmir to Kanyakumari. That is I say
we
Kanyakumari.
generally say okay, from north north to south, Jammu se Kanyakumari tak, but it's not true
Uh,
actually. When we ask some particular point, so yes, Indra
what?
Point is the big deepest south point.
Okay, which point? Indra Point.
Indra Point in south.
Okay, okay, Indra Point.
So, what is the capital of? So you are. What is the capital of Andhra Pradesh?
Yeah, sorry, I'm not sure in capitals. Yeah, but I'm also interested in geography.
But a geography, it is the part of geography. You should
Yeah,
know some common. These are some common question answer. These are some actually.
yeah,
Yeah,
these are basic questions. Yeah, of class fifth, fourth questions. Yeah, all
yeah.
questions.
These are some basic questions.
Yeah,
So,
very.
do you know what is the capital of Andhra Pradesh?
Sorry, I forget. Yeah, but because in front of I have map, but I in my mind I not have. Yeah,
Okay,
in
don't
front of
worry,
that.
don't worry. Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad, I think.
Hyderabad. Okay.
Hyderabad. And
Yeah.
yeah. So, okay.
You
Tell.
can ask in history like you
Okay.
can ask
Okay. I'm going to
and
ask some question
you can ask
in
science
history.
field. You can ask also in science field from question
Okay.
like biology, physics, chemistry, or in history.
Okay. Who wrote Padmavat? Now give me answer.
Padma, what?
Yeah. Who wrote
So,
Padmavat?
sorry, I don't know.
Actually, this
I
is
don't
the
know.
movie Padmavati, made on Padmavat, and Padmavat write Jaisi.
What is it's novel?
Yeah. It is
Okay,
written
okay.
by, Jaisi.
I also write a book, The Mystery of
So,
Kashmir.
do you know about Ibn Tuta?
Ibn Tuta, yeah, I listen this
When did
story.
he come in India? When did he come?
Yeah, I don't know, but I listen this Ibn Tuta. Yeah,
Okay, you are a student in 11th class, so yes, you need to prepare, you need to, you know,
yeah, yeah. Hard work, and also learn a
but
lot.
I just say one thing, that you have a desire for learning, or for
Yeah,
knowing some knowledge. So yes, you can
yeah.
do, and that's all. It was nice conversation with you, and I
And
hope you will achieve your goal that you made in your mind. Okay,
and
so
I will sit in Frederick stand in like tomorrow. I will also. You can also call after that. You can give some questions.
yeah, yeah,
And I
yeah.
and this
So
knowledge
do you
related.
feel fun? Do you enjoy this conversation?
Yeah, yeah, I enjoyed. I'm also interested in jewel. Sorry, in general knowledge
General
today.
knowledge.
Yeah,
Okay, okay,
yeah,
okay.
yeah.
So yeah,
Okay
okay.
then.
Have a nice day.
Then, but okay, okay. Thank you for your time. Nice to talk with you.
Okay, okay. Bye. Okay, after completing your conversation, you should give your feedback and it will give you your feedback. Okay, so yes, you can see. And when you cut this, so there is some AI tutor, and this is our trial version. Okay, for this you don't need to give money. So now I'm going to show you how to use this trial version, and this is AI feature, and this is free on cost because this is only for you for trial. Okay, so start exercising.
हेलो। आज हम सीखेंगे कि इंग्लिश में इन, ऑन और एट कैसे इस्तेमाल किया जाता है। ये तीनों ही लोकेशन या टाइम के लिए इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं, पर सबका कॉन्टेक्स्ट अलग होता है। इनका इस्तेमाल तब किया जाता है जब कोई चीज किसी एरिया के अंदर हो, जैसे मैं रूम में हूँ, या फिर जब हम टाइम की बात कर रहे हों जो थोड़े जनरल सेंस में हो, जैसे मैं सुबह के समय उठता हूँ। चलो थोड़ी प्रैक्टिस करते हैं। इस प्रैक्टिस का रूल सिंपल है, मैं आपको हिंदी में सेंटेंसेस दूंगी और आपको उन्हें इंग्लिश में बोलना है। चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। दूध फ्रिज में है।
The milk is in the fridge.
वह 2005 में पैदा हुआ था।
He was born in 2005.
रात के आसमान में तारे दिखाई देते हैं।
The stars are visible in the night sky.
मुझे काम के बाद शाम में आराम करना पसंद है।
I like to relax in the evening after work.
अब आते हैं ऑन पर। हम ऑन का इस्तेमाल करते हैं जब कोई चीज किसी सरफेस पर हो, जैसे बुक टेबल के ऊपर है, या फिर किसी स्पेसिफिक डेट या डे के लिए, जैसे मेरा बर्थडे 3 जनवरी को है। चलो थोड़ी प्रैक्टिस करते हैं। मीटिंग 15 मार्च को है।
The meeting is on March 15th.
पेंटिंग दीवार पर लटकी है।
The painting is hanging on the wall. The painting is hanging on the wall.
फिल्म क्रिसमस के दिन पर रिलीज होगी।
The movie will be released on Christmas Day.
मेरे फोन की स्क्रीन पर एक दरार है।
There is a crack on the screen of my phone.
फाइनली आते हैं एट पर। इसे हम तब इस्तेमाल करते हैं जब लोकेशन या टाइम काफी स्पेसिफिक हो, जैसे मैं बस स्टॉप पर हूँ, या मुझसे 5 बजे मिलो। चलो इसको प्रैक्टिस करते हैं। वह गेट पर खड़ा है।
He is standing at the gate. He is standing at the gate. He is standing at the gate.
हम आज शाम 5 बजे मिलेंगे।
We will meet at 5 p.m. today.
ट्रेन हर बड़े स्टेशन पर रुकती है।
The train stops at every major station.
वह आधी रात तक पार्टी में थी।
She was at the party until midnight.
जब तुमने फोन किया मैं अस्पताल में था।
At the hospital when you called.
I was in the hospital when you called.
I was in the hospital when you called.
उसके कलाई पर एक ब्रेसलेट है।
She has a bracelet on her wrist.
वह एक छोटे से गांव में रहती है। She lives in a small village near the river.
She lives in a small village near the river.
हम स्टेशन पर 5 बजे मिलेंगे।
We will meet at the station on 5 p.m.
So don't worry if you give wrong answer. You can
will meet at the
start
station at 5 p.m.
right answer
We will
from
meet
AI.
at the
There is the
station at 5
option.
p.m.
पार्टी शुक्रवार की शाम को है।
The party is on the evening Friday.
The party is in the evening on Friday.
The party is in the evening Friday.
घड़ी कमरे के कोने में दीवार पर टंगी है।
The clock is on the wall on the corner of the room.
Don't worry if you give
The
wrong
clock is
answer.
on the wall
Don't
in the
worry.
corner of the room.
Just
The
hear
clock is on the
AI
wall in the
answer
corner of
right
the room.
answer.
So yes, this is the trial version. If you really want to improve your English fluency, if you really want to do conversation with AI, then yes, you can give money. And if you don't, then please do practice with a real person. So yes, you can see that's all I wanted to share with you in this video. And I hope you like my video. If you did so please don't forget like, subscribe to this channel. Okay, we will meet you. We will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.